So I'm going to show you how I repurposed this football dish into a candle. These are all the items that you will need. Definitely take a screenshot. And then as far as the flavor that I used from the Walmart candle, it was a maple pumpkin latte. And this was the dish that I picked up. It was $3 at Goodwill, so I was super excited about that. I did look up to make sure, like, can I use this as a repurposed candle? And I did. And it said it was safe. So there we are. Afterwards, I took out the candle wick kit that I got online. I got this off of Amazon. And as you can see, it comes with the stickers to stick the bases inside of your candle, as well as the wooden wicks. And the first thing I did was paste or stick the stickers inside of the football. And I wanted two wicks, so I wanted them to be like slightly apart. I just wanted to make sure that the candle was melting evenly. So there was that. And then I also realized to like take the top sticker off first, then take it off the bottom, or like the plastic part, because I was definitely struggling with that because of my nails. And then after we did that, I'm going to take the metal bases and I just stick the wicks inside of the little pieces, and then I just pressed it onto the sticker. And you want to make sure you press firmly so it is going to stay. And then these are kind of cool because you could see it was kind of loose, so I just pinched the like prongs per se, let's just call them prongs today, and so the wick would stay. And then I did the same thing, pressing really hard to make sure that it sticks. Then I cut them to a certain length at first. We are going to go back in and cut them a little shorter, but for now I just knew I didn't need that much. This was how it looked so far. And then afterwards, because I had the candle on the warmer, I took some brushes to hold them in place, but that didn't even work really well, but the wick stayed. So I poured the candle in there, and then I just let it kind of sit overnight. And this was the final look after it sat. And so again, I took my scissors and I kind of cut them at a slant. Doesn't matter, they're going to burn anyways. But I just wanted to look cute. So then this is how I was cutting them at an angle. And then this is how it looked finally. And then afterwards, I lit the candle. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And like I always say, if you want to like it, like it. If you want to comment, comment. And if you want to subscribe, subscribe. Have a great day.